There are many keratin treatments available in the market. These salon keratins are loaded with chemicals and artificial substitutes which becomes harmful in the long run. So let's see how we can make 3 easy natural keratin hair masks for soft and shiny hair which is safe as well as natural. Recipe number 1. Vegan keratin treatment. For this, you need some handful of hibiscus flowers. The hibiscus is rich in amino acids that nourish the hair and strengthen its roots. It also stimulates hair regrowth, which helps in thicken the hair and add volume. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. Coconut milk penetrates deep in your scalp and nourishes it. So what is keratin actually? Keratin is a type of insoluble fibrous protein found naturally in your hair strands, nails, claws, wool and many other things. It builds the outer layer of the hair and skin. Now you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera contains enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. Next is tablespoon of almond oil. I do not have almond oil right now, so I will just add 4-5 almonds here. 1 piece of ripe banana and a tablespoon of coconut oil. Bananas are rich in amino acid that helps to restore the protein damage in your scalp. Natural oils are very well known for their vitamins and minerals. That's it. Just blend all of these together and vegan keratin hair mask is ready. Recipe number 2. Non-vegan keratin treatment. Take a tablespoon of honey. In this, you add 1 egg yolk. Egg yolks are rich in proteins and fatty acids, which settles on your hair follicles and repairs the damage of your scalp, and honey locks the moisture in your strands. If we talk about keratin for hair, this protein gives structure to hair and make them more manageable. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt is an excellent source that will clean your scalp. An egg full of proteins works with the yogurt for an excellent natural keratin treatment. Now I'll be adding 1 piece of ripe banana. Obviously it was left from before's recipe, and a teaspoon of mustard seeds or powder. You will be amazed to know that mustard has almost 35 to 38% protein content. Blend it and use it. That's it. A non-vegan keratin treatment and a vegan treatment is now ready. Now how to use this treatment? Firstly, you should shampoo your hair very nicely. This helps in removing dust and oil from your hair. It also helps in absorbing the treatment in hair properly. So kindly note, do not use the conditioner right now, just shampoo it. Now towel dry your hair and comb them. Apply this hair keratin mask from top to bottom for about 30 to 40 minutes. Rinse your hair, blow dry and set the hair accordingly to your choice. You can use this hair mask weekly for few months and see the results. Now as you know that while making this video I am left with egg white, so you can use this egg white also by adding some fallen hibiscus flowers. Wash the flowers first and add a tablespoon of honey. Blend this, and this is a quick addition to zero waste recipe and an excellent hair shampoo. So do not waste egg whites, either eat it or use it on your hair. Please note that hibiscus flowers, yogurt, coconut milk, aloe vera, banana, avocado, fenugreek, mustard, egg, honey, almonds all are great for keratin treatments. So you can mix and match any product according to your availability and your choices and put it on your hair to make a keratin treatment. The keratin is not found in any food item. Our body breaks the protein and vitamins that we consume and change it to keratin. You can eat protein-rich foods, amino acid-rich foods, biotin-rich foods and vitamin A to help the body build keratin. So that's it for today. Indulge yourself in the self-groomed chemical-free hair treatment, and which is safe for environment, great for your hair and saves you a lot of money. Use this treatment for few months weekly and see the results. Hope you like this recipe and try it. Please subscribe if you like the natural lifestyle recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next week.